afternoon, everyone. Here is my capstone presentation. I am a Chinese instructor at DOI, Defense Language Institute. I've been teaching there for 3 years, and the Chinese language is a very difficult language for the English speakers to learn. And this program at DOI is lasts 63 weeks. And my capstone is based on the textbooks I'm using in my third semester. My capstone advisor is Dr. Su, and the title third semester Chinese e-learning course. The problem here is in the third semester, the students about to graduate, and they have learned this language for long enough, and they feel the lack of motivation, and because we use textbooks all the time, and so in order to improve their motivation, and since I'm in this program, I learned to use technology to design some interactive modules to help students to improve their motivation and learning. Also, before they graduate, they have to reach the level 2+2+2, which means listening and speaking and reading. They have to reach this level, but some of them still fail. Our aim is to help them to reach 100% production rate. So here, the solution to improve their motivation is to design interactive Chinese e-learning course, which I will show you shortly. I designed a website through Weebly, and on my website I designed 4 lessons based on the textbooks. The model I used is called ANI. We first analyze the audience, the performance gap, and then I design based on the performance gap. I design outline the objectives for the project, and then use the materials I used to develop a solution, and then I implement the solution, and then at the end we evaluate. The pedagogy behind this project is I use Dr. Merrill's first principles of instruction, and we start from activation. We know students learn more if we activate them first, and then demonstrate how to learn this language, and then we ask them to apply what they learned in the real world, and then after they graduate, they integrate all these skills into the real world. Here's the website I designed for this course. As you can see, I have 4 lessons, and under each lesson you will see the objectives. And also I have the PDF for the text presentations. And I have the module, and I'm going to show you one of the modules I made through Captivate. This lesson is intended for adult learners who have learned Chinese language for 7 months in Defense Language Institute. Today you're going to learn lesson 57. Okay, this is the time on that. This is the first page of the module, and how to take this course. Just tell navigation, and then so this course I have introduction, warm up, and presentation, and evaluate. This follows strictly with the first principles of instruction. So after taking this module, students will evaluate how well they do. Let me show you the introduction. So introduction part, I have a video, and then which is gives students some background information about the lesson they're going to learn, and this is the objectives, and it's just activate their schemata, and through the end, I have for example, the test, I have 2 or 3 listening materials. They listen and they do the exercise. And then, for example, if after listening, if they did something wrong, we will show them, oh, this is not correct, we have to try it again. It's very interactive and engaging, and they get the feedback right away. During the whole process, I have done a formative evaluation, usability test, and feedback. The feedback I got from students is positive, and they think this is a very interesting way to learn a language, not just learn through the textbooks. And summative evaluation, I did a pre-test and post-test. I have 8 test subjects. And since they are paired, so and the t-test, I use the paired 2 sample for means, which here's the value I got, and which shows after taking the modules and their pre-test and the post-test scores indicate the modules help increase their learning. What I've learned in this program, asking for help. That's what I learned. And be responsible and take responsibility. If there are new students, who are 9 students here, please be responsible and take your responsibility in this program since we're learning in a group. And thank you for all the Mr. Professors and Dr. Su, my advisor, and my group and my family. I already used this the program the project I designed in my department, and the next I'm going to I hope I can promote to the all Chinese departments and DLI, which my client, which is the associated dean, she already looked at this program and project and she likes it. She thought about to launch at DLI. Hope that happens all students to learn. Any questions? Yes, please.
So before this interactive method, what was the method you used? Was it just based on textbooks, or was it just board presentations?
This project is based on the textbooks.
So before this interactive presentation, how did you teach them that you found?
At DLI we have the students have each of them have the computer and the iPad, and so in the class or after class they are using the computers all the time, but it mainly based on the textbooks.
So this replaces the textbook. This program.
This is supplemental materials for textbooks.